Hi everybody, I hope everyone is doing well. This video is going to be about this Femevo camera, Femevo 4K camera. First off, I want to begin by saying by no means do I like telling people exactly what item to purchase or what camera to buy, just because I do believe that everybody purchase a camera or whatever based off of their needs, whether it be video, more videos than pictures, or pictures, or just different quality megapixels, different things, or maybe they just favor a brand more than the other. However, what I do want to share with you guys is that this was a camera that was going viral. There's also a similar one that everyone says that they would rather get. I'll put a picture here. Yeah, so that one says Ultra 4K, so supposedly that one is better than this one. However, I do just want to show you guys what this one is capable of in case you are thinking about getting this one. This one is the cheaper option, and I really like it. For someone who's been on YouTube for quite some time now, I think that it's a really great camera. And if you know how to work a camera, I think that it'll be great. Some cameras, when you pay more, you get what you pay for. There are cameras that are better, equipped and just got a lot more to it. However, but if you're thinking about starting off small, this would be a great camera for beginners. So yeah, let's get into it. And I'm also a more of a show than tell person. So in this video, at some point I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna compare videos for you. I'm gonna shoot some videos and pictures using a 4K Femevo camera, and I'm also gonna use my iPhone, just because I know a lot of us use our iPhone and we go back and forth. Okay, is my iPhone good enough to start YouTubing and posting my videos that way, or recording like that? The answer is yes. I've been using my iPhone for a very long time, but that's why I want to show you guys the difference in the two. I think that'd be a great comparison, so okay, do I need to spend the $89 to start my YouTube career, or am I comfortable with just starting it with my phone? We carry our phone everywhere anyways. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I have the Amazon link at the bottom, but I also want to show you a snippet of what it looks like when you're going to purchase it. So this is classified as a 4K digital vlogging camera, 48 megapixels with autofocus, anti-shake. It does come with the SD card, a 3-inch flip screen and flash, 16 times the zoom, travel camera with 2 batteries for photography and video. So let me show you guys what I got. So this is the box that it came in. Nice, sturdy, and it shows you here some of its features: 4K video, anti-shake, autofocus flash, flip screen, 48 megapixels, digital zoom, and IPS screen. So that's cool that was right on the front. This is the camera itself. It's really nice and cute and petite. See? Here's the screen. Here's the screen. So yeah, it flips out so that you can vlog this way and then you can see yourself. Here's the buttons on the side. This is where the battery would go. So you pull that, you put the battery there, and this is where the SD card goes. And you can use this to put this on a tripod. So really nice, really simple design. I really like it. It came with 2 batteries, which is really cool because, yeah, instead of having to buy an extra battery, they came with 2. The batteries last for a good amount of time. So that's that. It did come with an SD card. Here it is, 32 gigabytes. And so, yeah. And it came with this lens cover like that. That's what I use so I don't have to wipe my screen so much, clean it and cover it. And it came with cords. So it came with cords to charge this, cords to connect it to the TV, different things. However, I don't have the cords here because I use this camera a lot and they're everywhere. But yes, it does come with all the cords that you need. So yeah, that's that. Let me go ahead and show you guys how to put the memory card in. Well, the battery first, so you can see it turn on. So you push that down in there. And then let's go ahead and put our card in there. So remember, when you need a memory card for your camera, you need a memory card adapter, and then you need the memory card itself so that it can fit into the camera. Push that down in there, and let's see. Okay, it has the lens on there. So yeah. It does have different settings and modes. That's the camcorder, that's the recordings, setup, set date, power save, beeps, frequencies, formats, defaults. Let's see, menu, mode set, resolution, beauty phase, shooting, self timer, exposure, white balance, quality, sharpness, effect. I think these came with some cool qualities about the camera. Like, it's just cool for it to be so cheap and small. It definitely comes with a lot. So yeah, that's what it looks like when you turn it on. And I want to actually just get some footage for you guys of some regular stuff. Like, it could be just this, but I want to get, now I'm going to show you guys pictures and videos comparing the camera photos and videos to my iPhone. I'm not showing you guys my iPhone now because my iPhone is recording this right now. So yeah, let's do that. So these are going to be our test subjects for today. This old kiwi and this beat up apple, okay? See if we can get some details. As you can see, it looked pretty good in the iPhone camera already. I'm recording in 4K 60. So, yeah. Let's get the camera's view.